If you have been quite active on internet and social medias, then it's highly likely that you have heard about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is capable of many things from writing articles to fully fleshed coding, but it can be quite a challenge for many people to find creative prompts to interact with the chatbot. This is where Harpa AI comes in handy. So first of all, what you need to do is go to extensions and then visit Chrome Web Store. From here, you have to search Harpa AI and download this extension to your Chrome browser. And then you have to click on this extension, type slash, and here you will get all the prompts that you need to create content. So for an example, we will take keyword report and search, let's say, AI tools. So here you will get all the keywords that are trending on Google. And there you have it, folks. Using Harpa AI with ChatGPT is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Elevate your conversations and make them more impactful. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends.